Okay, I'm gonna step outside, then I'm gonna turn on the light once I'm in the dark. There is thousands of earthworms on my property. I don't know why. I just don't understand it. Probably great to maybe plant some vegetables this year, but I'm just in disbelief how many earthworms there are. So let me show you. I'm about to turn on the headlamp. Look at that. It's just crazy. Everywhere. There's just thousands. I really should put some LEDs on my hens and let them run loose at night, and they will have a great feast during the night because they will love it. So if you know the answer why all of a sudden, I've been living here for 3 years now, I've never seen this before, why all of a sudden this year I have thousands of earthworms and we're in the first week of March, leave me a comment. And if you see me in most of my videos wearing these rubber boots, well, now you know why. So I guess this year I won't be spending no money on earthworms when I go fishing. Thank you for watching another short Handyman Land video.